Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Find My iPhone in settings, step by step. Let's get started. First, we will check the normal Find My iPhone setting. On your home screen, tap the Settings app, the gray gear icon. Once Settings opens, look near the top for your name and picture, and tap on your name. This opens your Apple ID settings, where Apple keeps all account and iCloud options together. Now tap Find My, then on the next screen, tap Find My iPhone. Here you should see a switch for Find My iPhone that you can turn on or off. If it is working, the switch moves and changes color right away, without needing a save button. Now, if that did not work, we will check location services. Go back to the main settings list, then scroll until you see Privacy and Security and tap it. On the Privacy and Security screen, tap Location Services at the top. Make sure the main location services switch at the top is turned on. If this main switch is off, Find My iPhone cannot update the location at all, even if its own toggle looked fine. Next up, we will look at screen time restrictions. Return to the main settings list again, then scroll and tap Screen Time. On the Screen Time page, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Here, restrictions can block changes to your Apple account and iCloud settings, which can make Find My iPhone look grayed out. If you see that Content and Privacy Restrictions is turned on, that can be why you cannot change some security options. After that, we will check Stolen Device Protection. Go back to the main settings screen one more time, then scroll until you see Face ID and passcode, and tap it. Enter your passcode if your iPhone asks for it. On this screen, scroll down and tap Stolen Device Protection. If this is affecting your change, iOS might apply what Apple calls a security delay before letting you change some security settings. That delay is meant to stop someone else from quickly turning off tracking if they know your passcode. With that ready, we will restart your iPhone. Hold the power button and follow the prompt on your screen to turn it off. Wait a few seconds so the device fully shuts down, then hold the power button again to turn it back on. A restart clears temporary glitches, so if Find My iPhone was stuck or behaving oddly, it often starts working normally again right after the phone powers back up. Now we will make sure you are connected to the internet. Look at the top of your screen for the Wi-Fi symbol or cellular signal bars to confirm you are online. If you do not see a connection, either join a Wi-Fi network using the Settings app or turn on cellular data if your plan allows it. Then return to Settings, tap your name at the top, and tap Find My again. From there, you should now be able to open Find My iPhone and see the toggle respond because it needs an internet connection to update your account settings. You have checked the main settings that can stop Find My iPhone from turning on or off, and refreshed your device connection. If this saved you time, please consider giving it a like. It helps the next person who is stuck find this fix. And if you would like to support the channel, subscribe. It is free and truly keeps us going. Thanks for watching.